Hello, my name is Hannah Finnefrock and I'm the Eastern Iowa Channel trainee. I'm currently sitting here with the agronomist Catherine Rod, and today we're talking about the importance of beetle traps.
Yes, so this is a beetle trap that we use to help track beetle populations for corn rootworm. So what we do is we hang this in the field, we open it up and expose the sticky portion of it. The beetles then fly on it and then are stuck to it. So after a predetermined number of days, we'll come back and we'll count the number of beetles to determine our beetle per trap per day. So this is really important because it helps track our beetle population throughout the season, which then will help determine our pressure amount. And from that pressure amount, we can make management decisions for the next year, determining if we will continue on a corn on corn or should we rotate to beans or do a different corn rootworm management strategy.
So now I'm going to take you and show you how to hang one from a corn plant. This plant is a little early as it does not have the ear, but when you go out to find the ear, you will place it next to the ear. You're going to fold down the leaf closest to the ear, open the sticky trap up, fold it around, put that thing through there so it stays open, thread your zip tie through there, and you will attach it directly above the ear on this corn plant.
Now the importance of placing it above the ear is because the silks of the ear are a food source for the adult corn rootworm beetles. And it's important to put this trap next to where they may feed.
So we will check this in about a week or so to determine how many beetles are stuck to that, to determine our best management practices for next growing season based on the corn rootworm pressure of this field.
So for thresholds for this, we are looking to have less than 2 beetles per trap per day. If we have less than 2 beetles per trap per day, Iowa State says that we can continue with our corn on corn situations. If we have more than 2 beetles per trap per day that we caught in our trap, Iowa State suggests that we rotate to either soybeans or another corn rootworm management strategy.